Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Monir. My location is Bangladesh. I am very happy to be your Quran teacher here on Preply. I teach the Holy Quran and Nurani Qaida to kids and children. I help children learn how to read the Quran correctly step by step. I teach with love and care. So, children feel happy and learn fast. My classes are very easy, simple, and friendly. If you want your child to learn the Holy Quran with Tasbih, I am here to help. Book a class with me today. Let's start learn the Holy Quran together. Jazakallah khair. Thank you so much.